Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm gonna do today my everyday 10-minute transformation. Whenever I usually go out, I use my everyday favorite products, and I do my makeup. I don't use foundation. I just use powder foundation, mostly the MAC Studio Fix Plus, because it has full coverage, so it is really good for everyday purpose. And I use my everyday makeup products whichever I like. Mostly I use the Hoola Bronzer, my favorite blush. I usually don't do false eyelashes because I only use that whenever I do a bold eye look. I just use mascara for that, and but my blush and highlighter, eyebrows are a must, and maybe a nude lipstick or a bold lipstick, whichever whatever mood I am in. So that's what we are gonna do today. It won't be a very long video. I'm just gonna use my everyday products. So yeah guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And my link to the Instagram handle is there in the description below, so if you want you can check it out. I'm doing a lot of tutorials there, so if you are interested you can go there and follow me. And yeah, whatever products I'm using today, it will be listed in the description below, so if you want you can check it out. So yeah guys, let's just start the video. This is the kurti which I'm gonna wear. I'm actually not going out anywhere, but I just wanted to do a quick video on, actually I had went out last week, but I couldn't film a video because I was in a hurry, so I couldn't do that day. So I thought just I'll do a quick video on the look that I did, so I'll post it for you guys on YouTube. So I'm wearing a kurti from Khadi. It is a cotton simple kurti which usually I wear on weekends with my leggings and dupatta. So I'm just gonna wear a simple earring, maybe a hoop earring, and do my simple makeup. So yeah, let's just dive in the video. I'll just zoom you in guys so you can uh, have a closer look. So usually I actually don't use any primer for everyday makeup. I'm just gonna start with MAC Studio Fix Plus. So I am in the shade NC18 NC20. So I'm just gonna use a dense brush. Firstly I'm just gonna color correct my under eyes because my dark circles are kind of deep, and I'm not gonna use any heavy foundation. And full coverage concealer, I'm just gonna use a very light base. Now I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. It is a really good concealer, but I have a shade which is similar to my skin tone, and I don't want a lighter color because I'm not gonna do any highlighting or anything of that sort. Just that much, that is all that I'm gonna use for my concealer. And this is a very good concealer. It blends really easily and you don't need to blend it a lot. Tarte Shape Tape usually takes a lot of time to blend because it is a very thick concealer. This is not a thick concealer, this is a very lightweight and very thin concealer. Now I'm just quickly going to set my under eyes with a loose powder, because I always use a loose powder to set my under eyes, because the compact powders are usually mostly for face, so it gets a bit cakey. So I'm just going to use my Coverfx. Coverfx and Laura Mercier are my two everyday kind of loose powder. Now for my face I'm going to use my Studio MAC Fix Plus. This is the powder version and I'm in the shade NC18 to NC20. So I'm just going to use a dense brush and put it all over my face. And you can even use any BB cream or CC cream, the new NYX Skin Veil and the new Maybelline um Urban Dream Cover Foundation, which is in the squeezy tube. Both the foundations are really good and very lightweight, and it has good enough coverage. And but I usually don't do liquid foundations because yeah, it gets kind of messy. Now I'm going to use my bronzer, so I'm going to use the Hoola Bronzer. This is my everyday kind of bronzer. It is so good. I'm going to use this same bronzer uh, just in my crease, because I don't do eyeshadows as such for my everyday makeup. So now coming on to blush, usually I always put a blush. Even if I don't use a bronzer, I still apply blush. Even if I'm not using any powder foundation, I will still use blush because I like the way how blush looks. So I usually use a pink kind of blush, or maybe sometimes even corally. So for today I'm going to use Milani baked blush in the shade Berry Amose. This is a very pretty berry pinky kind of blush, and it has a bit of shimmer and it looks really nice. So I'm going to use that. And usually I take max to max 10 minutes to do this look, but today, because I am talking in between, so I might be taking a bit longer than usual. But usually max to max it takes me just 10 minutes. And I like to apply the blush on the tip of my nose. It looks nice. I'll just set my face quickly because I like to apply my highlighter after setting my face. So I'll just quickly set my face using this Max Fix Plus. So it will melt all the powder into my skin, and Max Fix Plus is a very good everyday setting spray. I love the Morphe setting spray. I want to order a few more. I hope it's still available on Glamazil. I'm not sure, because in Dubai you only get it on glamazol.com. So I am not very sure, because it gets out of stock really quickly. Now when my setting spray is almost dry, I'll use my highlighter. My everyday highlighter is the Fenty highlighter. This is in the shade Hustla Baby. This is the mini version, but the pan size is huge and it will last you a long time. This comes in the mini set. It has the original lip gloss. I don't know the name of that, but the original shade that she had come out with, it has that lip gloss and the mini highlighter version. And she has come out with the new holiday set, which I actually got the day it released in Sephora. I thought it wouldn't be available in the Sephora Middle East because here the products are launched a bit late than the US. I'm not sure when. I think it was available on 11th of October itself on Fenty's website and Sephora US. And I was actually wishing it will release here soon, but on the same day it released here in Middle East. I saw it on the Sephora website, and that day itself in the evening I went and got the mini highlighter set. She has a new lip gloss and a mini new highlighter, and I got the lip gloss set because I wanted only those two. It is in my bag still. they are very pretty. For my eyeshadow, I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use my bronzer itself, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelids, in the crease as well as my lids. So this will just add a bit of depth, and it will give a little bit of color to my eyelids. Nothing great. And honestly, I don't even use any eyeliner or anything, just this and mascara. And I'll put this in the lower lash line as well. People use false lashes every day, but I'm not one of those. I might be one of those later, but right now I am not. Now for my eyebrows, I'm gonna take my Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. This makes your eyebrows very good, and it is very easy to use. It doesn't take a lot of time. So I'm gonna use the powder to fill my eyebrows, and then just the Essence Make Me Brow mascara to set it, because this mascara is so cheap. It is for less than 15 dirhams. So this is my eyebrows using the powder. Now I'm quickly just going to use the eyebrow gel. This has fibers in it as well, so it gives you a little bit of volume, and it sets your eyebrows. Your eyebrows doesn't get that crunchy, but it sets your eyebrow hairs really nicely. That is all that I do for my eyebrows. So for lining my lips, I'm going to use any pinky nude or brownie nude lip liner to line my lips, and I'm just going to fill it with the same lip liner. So if your lipstick fades, the lip liner is still there on your lips. So for lipstick, I usually go for a liquid lipstick or a matte lipstick, because it wears for a very long time. So maybe today, that day I went out, I had used the Huda Beauty bullet lipsticks, and I think I had used the shade Interview. So maybe today we'll use that, or we'll use the shade Anniversary. Two different shades all together. Interview is more of a darker brown, and Anniversary is more of a nude shade. So maybe today we'll go with the shade Anniversary. So usually, mostly I use a pinky nude, but today I'm using this shade Interview, and it is a very pretty basic nude shade, which I'm liking. For my eyelashes, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes really quick, and I'm just going to use a mascara. So for my mascara, I'm going to use my Maybelline Big Shot Colossal, because it is a very good mascara, and Maybelline has great mascaras. So I'm just going to use this. I'm gonna do, I think, 2 coats of this. It gives me volume as well as length also. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Push Up mascara. This is also from Maybelline, and I like it for my lower lash line because it has a very precise brush, and I only use this for my lower lash line. I'll wait for this to dry, and I will then show you how to remove it. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds to let this dry, and I will use a spoolie just to flake it off. It is actually very easy, but always just wait for it to dry and then do it. So I am just, and it came off. Now if you want, you can use a black eyeliner to do a wing, or a black pencil liner to just put it in your waterline, or even a nude eyeliner, but I just keep it this way. So now I'll quickly do my hair and I'll wear some accessories and I'll be right back. So guys, I just wore a hoop earring. I didn't do much to my hair because kind of taking a break from styling my hair with heat. So this is just my normal natural air dry hair. I just left it open. Surely I'm gonna tie it up. I don't actually keep my hair open. I really don't like it. So anyways guys, this was my everyday makeup transformation, 10-minute makeup transformation. It is a very simple, easy look. And yeah guys, this was all for my today's video. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comments below whatever kind of videos you want to see. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. And yeah guys, I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until next time, bye.